Good day, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. We're just feeding the birds. My feeder was out. I just brought a bag for them. So this is my broody duck. This is why I wanted to take the video right now. Or it's that one maybe. It's one of these dirty ones. And she's like binge eating right now, right? Because that's what Broodies do. They eat when they can. They're stepping on this one. Now I want to see how many eggs she's on. It rained a lot, so my coop's very muddy. So see, she's not on her eggs right now. Look at the eggs. So she's on 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. She's on 12 eggs herself. Look at the little chicken egg. Now that's quite the cute nest. Now watch, she's gonna go right in there. I'm just gonna stay here. Hopefully she comes back. It'll be a boring video for a little bit. We're gonna wait for her to come back, and then I want to get her sitting on them. So pretty cool. It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yep, she's on a dozen eggs. Not sure if they're all fertile because Louie's not here no more. But she's eating up, that's for sure. I don't know how often she eats. Oh, my duck got a hold of Charlie. Look at that, the 3 ducks are ganging up on him. Woo! Get him. Show him who's boss. Maybe that's her over there. Maybe she's getting a drink now. I don't know. They all look the same. I'm curious how long she's going to stay off her eggs for. Alright, y'all, so I took you back out here. I'm going to let the broody duck, I don't even know which one it is anymore. I'm going to let her go back on her eggs. Maybe she won't go with me over there. There's some rough, I tell you. I have another big feeder like that, but I choose to not use it because they'll eat twice as much food. I used to keep 2 filled up all the time, but so my plan is I'm going to take my ice scraper and we're going to scrape all this new bedding up. It doesn't look like it's new, but you see how aggressive they are now. I'm assuming there's only one rooster in here with all these hens now, and there's a lot of dominant hens, and you'll see to make their way in sometimes they pull each other's feathers, and you only see that when you have this quantity of birds and more. Or maybe it's just the type of birds too. So I have some that are really calm and that will take all the picking, and then others just will fight back. See, like my two little silkies, like they're just quiet. I kind of would like to sell them, to be honest with you, because they're just getting older and they just started laying again. They really just don't fit in with my coop. But the last section that I have to clean is over there, so I'm going to get that today. I want to shovel the last into the garden so that we can get the garden all freshly tilled up. I wanted to do that on my days off, but my tiller didn't start, so I ended up not bothering trying to get it going. I want to get a new spark plug for it and get some new gas and see if she runs. I got her started, she just doesn't want to stay running, so it seems like it's just the old gas probably, or... Listen, geez, they eat each other's feathers. I don't know what the heck they're... Like, the ducks eat the chicken's feathers, and... Like, look, grabbing their freaking feathers. Okay, so for ducks, how many ducks I got in here? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over there. I'm missing one, but she better get back on her egg soon. And Charlie's just kind of hanging up there. He's like, nope, I got bit already once. Karen, you better chill out. That's my Americana right there. She's very aggressive. And Lucky is the other one over there. She's looking pretty good though. Lucky was really, geez, she had a big bare spot at, I think, last year. But Charlie was like giving it to her, I think. He doesn't seem to like Karen as much, but I think Karen's the one that lays most, well, no, I shouldn't say most of the time, but Lucky hasn't laid an egg in forever. So we're on day 17. I forgot to mention, I did post a video, so y'all can check out my incubating video. I didn't post any new videos of it because, I mean, from day 1 to 17, there's really nothing interesting that really happens other than that's just, you know, the development's happening. But I mean, like, you just see the veins and it grows. Like, it's the exciting part is that lockdown where you take everything out and, you know, you can start, like, I don't candle until lockdown. I have never had an egg. I've hatched a few hundred eggs, and I've never had an egg blow up on me other than like outside and like I'm throwing it out and, you know, it's warm. They do like kind of explode. But it's only happened whenever I've taken it out of the incubator. At day 18, at lockdown, you take them out, and I've had them start hatching at day 19. So the day after lockdown, and stay in the incubator until day 22. So they can stay in the incubator for quite a while. At first I was very scared to do that. She's molting. Hey girl. Hey, you look like hell. Holy smokes. You can see they don't have no tails left on them anymore. Excited to get some new birds. These birds here are 3 years old, I want to say, or 2.5 years old. You know, I don't know if the duck went back on her eggs or not. I'm gonna go check. I'm curious. I see ducks, but I can't tell which one's which. There's my other feeder. Oh, it rained like a lot. No, she's still not on her eggs. No. She must know what she's doing. She's gonna lay an egg. Look at her butt moving. I think the egg's playing turtle. I know, I couldn't lay an egg if somebody was staring at me either. Okay. Alright, what do we got for duck eggs over here? So we got a duck egg there. Some ducks. The ducks like this box. It's funny, they were all laying together at one point, and the ducks will lay in there. They kind of lay wherever they want, but... Alright, y'all. Oh, maybe she's going back. Or maybe she gave up. Maybe it's that one. The one going through the door right now. She's going back. Listen, you guys gotta get along better. The pecking order even at the feeder, look. There's even eggs out on the ground. I noticed some out there. You can see one right there. Well, we're fighting. We got a hen fight. Oh, she's all puffed up and pissed off. Oh, pee-pee. That's what I'm gonna call you, puffed up and pissed off. You don't have a tail no more. They ate your tail, I see. She doesn't have any tail feathers. Karen, you look good though. Nobody messes with you. I'm gonna take food coloring and color the broody duck because now I really don't know which one. Anyway, I'm gonna leave. Maybe that's the reason she didn't go back on. So I noticed that something's clawing at the wood. So check this out. I'm gonna fix that today because I don't want anything to get in here because it's trying to. So check this out. Look, it was digging literally up at the wood to try to get in there. Anywho, I want to fix that. I only got 2 duck eggs in there. It's some muddy, holy smokes. Oh, there's 2 more duck eggs over there. Oh, another duck egg down there. Jeez, you girls are laying everywhere. Look, they're trying to get in. Look, digging a hole there too. Holy smokes. I don't know what's getting in there. That got in there, whatever it is. Didn't hurt anything. Oh, well, that's going to be a problem. Alright, y'all. I gotta board up the coop better, I guess. Cheers. Have a good one.